Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Beyond the Books. Before we move ahead, I would request you to subscribe to my channel so that you get more updates on my latest videos. Today we are going to discuss the topic Albert Einstein at School from Snapshot Grade 11. As you all are aware of this, that Albert Einstein was a great physicist, he was a great scientist of his time. He came up with the theory of relativity, which brought a revolution to the world of science, where E is equal to mc square. And he was not just a great scientist, he was not just a genius in himself, but he was also a great statesman. He always advocated that science should be used for peace and not for destruction like nuclear power. So, do you also know that based on the biography of Albert Einstein, that there was a time in Munich, Germany, when he was actually expelled from the school? Yes, he was expelled from the school because he was not able to learn facts. Or you can say he was not capable of doing rote learning. So, that means his teachers were not happy with him, and except for his maths teacher who could understand and recognize his genius. But other teachers would think that he is a slow learner, and also he comes up with different arguments for not learning things. For example, his history teacher would ask him that if you cannot learn things and you don't believe in learning, then what is the theory of education according to you, Albert Einstein? So he would say that learning facts can never be only education. For example, the battle. Which two armies fought the battle? How many soldiers died in that? When it happened? So this I can always refer to books. What is more important is that why the battles were fought and what was the result, how it could be prevented in future. So his views were not understood by the other people around, and therefore he was finally expelled from the school. Though it could not prevent him from getting success in his life, he went ahead and studied physics and mathematics, and he became one of the biggest scientists of his times. He was a genius, no doubt about it. So what we get to know from this is that gathering information, rote learning is a different thing, and insight formation is altogether a different thing. So, rote learning is what? That you learn certain facts for the examination, you prepare for the examination, you give examination, and then you forget about the facts. So, is it like a kind of vicious circle? And it is very difficult to get out of it because we have been doing it for years on end. That whatever we have learned in grade 10, let us forget in grade 11 and then in 12. And this is how just marks and getting good marks and admission in good colleges and schools, that is important. So this is not a very significant thing. Rote learning, okay, you can take it as a part of your learning process, but you should not depend on it entirely. What is more important is the insight formation. That is, insight formation is that you try to understand the facts that are given to you, presented to you, analyze them, comprehend them, come up with reasoning based on that, and then apply them where is the application important. Only then you will understand that you are actually learning, okay, for the future, for the benefit of yourself and of the society. So another concept is that is it equally important that everybody should be very good with linguistics or great with mathematics and then only you could be called as intelligent or with a great IQ level? No, it is not so. So what is the criteria? The criteria is very simple, that every student has his or her own kind of intelligence, and that you need to map on your own, and you have to therefore develop that intelligence. You could be very good with visual intelligence or kinesthetic intelligence to become a great sports player, or you could be very good with interpersonal skills and you become an orator or a teacher. or you could be very good with intrapersonal skills and then you come up with great ideas and you have your own startup. So there could be different kind of intelligences that we will be discussing in the upcoming video. For this video, and you hope you have understood that insight formation is precisely, profoundly, very important for all of us in order to move ahead in our life, and for success in our life, marks and rote learning cannot be the only criteria. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.